Today I am going to tell you a very simple and best intraday trading strategy where you can identify all the scripts or shares previous day itself. So on trading day you have to just place trades. This is the best strategy and works best. With many shares it works excellent and it is profitable strategy. Its accuracy is very high, and now I am going to reveal this strategy. So let me take you directly to chart and I will explain you the strategy. This strategy uses price action. This strategy do not use any indicator. Very simple strategy using price action, and I will explain you about why this strategy works, what is logic behind this strategy also. Okay, I will directly take you to charts first. Okay, so this is chart. Before going to the chart, I'll tell you first thing that this strategy, for this strategy to work, you have to identify the shares on daily time frame. Okay, so if you want to trade tomorrow, today you should select the script. Today, end of the day, you should select the script. Or if you want to trade tomorrow, before market opens in the morning, you should identify the scripts. Identification of the scripts is very simple. Okay, there is only one thing you have to check. You have to check the charts and see wherever this kind of structure is formed. There is this daily candle. There is this daily candle, and after that there is small candle. Okay, these candles can be of any color, bearish or bullish, or this candle can be bearish, this candle can be bullish, or anything, no problem. It doesn't matter if color of the candles are different or same or whatever, doesn't matter at all. But you should find such candles. These are called insider candles. These candles are called insider candles. So if you have to trade tomorrow, today evening, you should check that on what all charts this kind of structure is formed. This is first thing. So first you should have insider candle. Second thing is when this kind of structure is formed, you can put a filter on the small candle, and the filter should be like the small candle means you are going to trade tomorrow, right? So today's candle, this is say today's candle. This candle height, total height means this candle's high minus low, this candle's high minus low, this should be less than 1% of current price. Okay, 1% of share price. Share price is today's closing price, right? Wherever it closed today, that price 1%, this high minus low means candle height should be less than 1% of current price of that share. For example, if current price of share is say 300, current price then height of this candle should be less than 3. Okay, this for now you can use this as 1%, but based on your comfort level and based on the beta of scripts, you can tweak this also. You can make this 0.90% or 1.2%. You can tweak this and make this more optimized based on beta of the stock. Beta means how the stock moves. This is fast moving stock or slow moving stock. Or you can base this use this based on volatility of stock or volatility of VIX index. It's based on VIX also. If VIX is high, then increase this, make it 1.1. If VIX is low, decrease this, make it 0.9%. But for now I am telling you this as 1%. So candle size should be less than 1% of current share price. These are the only two conditions. If these two conditions satisfy, then you select that stock. Next day morning, you have to do a simple thing. If the share price opens between high and low of this candle, okay, if share price opens here, it should open below high and above low of this candle. If this happens, then you should wait for this price to cross high or low. If this is crossing high, you will enter here, buy. Okay, if it crosses below, you will enter here as sell. This will be intraday trade. Okay, let me clean this so that I will be able to draw better and will be able to explain. So this is your first day candle. This is big candle. This is your second day candle. Okay, something like this. Candle can be of any type, any color. If price opens between high, this is high, this is low of this candle, right? If price opens in between these, if price open here somewhere, and if price starts going up, you have to buy at high. Once high crossed, one tick above, you have to buy and ride it till 315. 315 you have to square off. Fine. You have to buy at high of previous candle and square off at 315. What will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be low of this candle. This will be stop loss. Low of this candle is your stop loss. Fine. If in case price opens and goes below this, it breaks low of the previous candle, then you have to sell it here. Okay, open the trade to sell and you have to square off at 315. In this case, your stop loss will be high of previous candle, this candle. We are talking about this candle. This is the system. Next rule for this system is you should not you should not lose more than 1% of your capital in any trade. So at the point you are buying, right, this point you are buying, this is high of previous candle, so this is your previous candle, this is high of this candle, you are buying here, right, and this is your stop loss, right? So if this is say 2 and your total trading capital is say 1 lakh rupees, so 1% of 1 lakh is 1000, right? You should not lose more than 1000 rupees on any trade. So your maximum stop loss, sorry, your stop loss is 2, so your maximum quantity you will buy is 500. So 500 into 2 is 1000 rupees. So you should buy 500 quantity only, not more than 500 quantity. The this is one rule. This is about risk management. Next rule is if sometimes it will happen that price opened here, started going up, you enter trade here, buy, but then price came below and hit your stop loss and started going below. In this case you should not take this sell trade, only one trade, first trade, price started moving up or down, first time it breaks high or low, you should take the trade. You should not re-entry. First you took the trade, either it hit stop loss or it is squared off at 315. You should not re-enter the trade. That first time you are on buy side, then again low is broken, so you think that I will take the sell trade. No, you are not supposed to take the sell trade. This is one more rule. Now sorry you should follow one guideline, that always trade this strategy in the scripts where you have good liquidity. Okay, don't trade in the scripts where there is no liquidity. You should have good liquidity, otherwise your slippages will be more and sometimes you may not be able to enter or exit at right prices. Okay, so the system you know now. So on one chart I will just show you the how the strategy works. Okay, now in this I don't know if this small candles are less than 1% or not, but when you will back test, you back test as per your criteria if it is less than 1% or whatever. Okay, so I will actually show you the trades, and then I will tell you what is significance, why this works, and what is the logic. Okay, we'll start from this side and go backward. See this, here you have this red candle, after that small red candle, right? Price open between high and low. Okay, let me make it look bigger so you will be able to see it clearly. Okay. This is chart of Tata Motors. Okay. See here, this is insider candle, this candle is insider candle, price opened here between high and low of this candle, you have to enter here, you have to buy here and close at somewhere 315, so 315 will be around here somewhere or at the top. Okay, this is success. See here, this is insider candle, this is small candle, price opened here, you have to buy here and here you are exiting somewhere at 315. Okay, we'll go backward. Okay, see here you have one more here. So price opened in between these two. Here you bought, and somewhere here you have exited, right? Next, yeah, see this day you bought here, and same, you have exited in no profit no loss. Yet 3 of our trades are profitable, 1 no profit no loss. Next we'll try to see some more. Okay, see this day, this day price opened here, okay, and this is above this high. So price opened on this day above this, so you are not going to take trade on this day. Now there is, we already saw this. Now see this day, this is insider candle, price opened in between these two, and you bought it here and you exited somewhere here. Okay, we'll see some more, and then I will explain you some more important things about this strategy. So I'll just go back. Okay. See this day, small candle, price opened here, so in between, and you took sell trade here, and it went back and it did not hit your stop loss, which was here, but it closed here, so little bit of loss you faced this day. See this is one more day when this is insider candle, this is high, price opened between high and low of this candle here, so you entered into trade here and squared off trade here at 350, you made profit. So next we'll see a couple of more, and then we'll continue with some other things. Now see this one, this is insider candle, this is insider candle, and this high is broken and you faced small loss. Okay, this I guess is not an insider candle. Okay, there are small okay, see this is insider candle, this small candle is insider candle, but next day it opened high, so no trade on that day. Like that you can check, okay, because you will find many trades. Okay, use only those scripts which are high beta, then your chances of getting profits increases. Now see something here. Okay, now okay, before that, see this is the day I was talking. No, this also price opened outside this, and so no trade. This is another insider candle, price opened inside and you sold here, price went down but came back, you exited in small profit. This day again price opened between high and low, you bought here and squared up trade here in profit. So you can backtest in many different shares, follow the rules which I told. So now for the rules, watch this video again, note down those rules, and then you trade it. Now why this works? Because see, for price to go up fast, there has to be consolidation. Okay, so what do I mean by consolidation? if price is in, if range of price is like coming down like this. See, earlier this was big range in which price was moving, and now the range is squeezing, is getting smaller and smaller, right? So here the range is very small at this point of time. This is called squeeze. When this kind of squeeze happens, see, what is this squeeze? This is indecision, because sellers are pushing the price down from upside and buyers are trying to push it from downside, right? So sellers and buyers battle is going on. Both of them are coming closer. Now this is now neck to neck battle. This is in this region, it is like decisive battle. Okay, because now at this point soon there should be outcome of this battle, that who wins, and prices either move fast on upside or fast on downside. If it moves upside, then buyers will be strong, seller lose their hope, and then prices go up, and vice versa for downside. Now the insider candle, this in daily time frame, if you are seeing candles like this, okay, in lower time frame, if you go in 15-minute time frame, you will see this structure. You will exactly see this structure. Price in lower time frame in 15-minute, it is actually creating this structure. That's why this earlier candle was big, and so next day price opened here. So this is small candle. This small candle formed here. This is big candle. You understood? So this is actually when we are selecting the insider candle and this candle is small, then squeeze is towards its end, and in lower time frame this squeeze is happening, and when price opens next day and if it is inside that candle, it means now there will be this breakout. That's why if price go above this, you should buy, and if it goes below this, you should sell, and stop loss will be opposite end of the candle. Okay, so that is the reason this strategy works. If you have any questions about this strategy, please comment on this video. Also you can share this strategy with your friends. This is absolutely profit making strategy. You have any questions, any doubts, anything, you comment on this video and I will be more than happy to answer you. Okay, so use this strategy and earn big profits. This, see, you have seen that we did not use any indicator. This is pure price action based strategy. Okay, and price action based strategies work if you follow proper risk management and position sizing. These are very good strategies, and I covered everything. I covered your risk management, what should be your stop loss, what should be your position size, everything. This strategy will definitely give you good profits. Okay, and for learning about price action and technical analysis, you can follow this channel, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. The channel name is The Quest for Alpha. You will be able to learn many things on this channel. This is educational channel, and also I create many awareness videos and many videos on trading psychology, which is one of the very important area of trading as such. In trading, psychology part plays very important role and you must know it. So there are very good videos which explain about psychology. You can watch those on this channel. So subscribe to this channel, like to this video, share it with your friends, and thank you very much. Goodbye for now.